Imagine having unlimited access to thousands of business contacts, like their phone numbers, emails, websites, all ready for you to reach out to. No more struggling to find leads, no more wasting time with copying and pasting. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use n8n to scrape Google Maps and automatically generate unlimited leads that you can use for cold calling or even sell to other companies. This is powerful and it's very, very useful for you, and I'll break it down for you step by step. Even if you are just a beginner, I'll explain every single part of what I'm actually building and explain every single part of it. What's up guys, my name is Dave Tech Pro, and on this channel I'll show you how to use automation, AI and smart tools to make your work faster, easier and way more effective. Whether you are looking to save time, pick up a new skill or find a better way to handle repetitive tasks, I've got you covered. And in today's video, I'm going to show you a powerful system I use myself to scrape Google Map and automatically generate unlimited leads. So stick with me to the end of the video, because once you understand this, you'll be able to start using it the right way and start using it for your own project and for your own self. So here's the thing, most people spend hours just trying to find new clients. They just go on Google and just start searching and just start copying and pasting and all the stress work. It's just stressful. And after 1 hour or 2 hours, they come up with maybe like 10 contacts or 20 contacts. That's just too slow. And in businesses like that, that time is money, so you just have to use your time so wisely. So now imagine, instead of wasting all that time, you can just go in and just type in restaurants in Lagos or maybe plumbers in New York and hit the button, and then boom, you have like maybe 10,000 contacts saved in your database. And that's exactly what I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you how to actually get that to start working using n8n. I'm going to show you, even if you're a beginner, I'll show you how to do it step by step. What I want to do is to scrape businesses from Google Map and automate the process so we don't have to waste time. Do you understand? So with this process, you can get unlimited leads to cold call, build a list of contacts for your personal business, or even generate thousands of leads that you can sell to other companies. So basically, once you understand this, you will never run out of contacts again. The tool we use to automate everything is called n8n. If you haven't heard of n8n before, n8n is an open source automation platform. Just think of it like Zapier or Make.com. It's way more powerful and it's completely free. So with n8n, we can connect it to Google Maps, scrape the results, clean the data, and even export everything into Google Sheets or whatever database you want to save everything is. And once it's set up, it runs on autopilot. If you like videos like this, I want to continue having videos like this on your screen, please hit that subscribe button, like and comment if you have any questions to ask. Please do that because it will motivate me to wanting to drop in more explanatory videos like this. So now let's go into the class. So now we're inside n8n. If you don't know how to open n8n account, go and watch my previous video. I will link it in the description of this video that I'm posting. You understand? So the first thing we need to do is to click on create workflow to actually create new workflow. And as you know it, let's first go in and name this. Let's just name this script Google Map, and click that. So it's now saved automatically. And as you notice, we need something to actually trigger this workflow. So for the sake of this video, I'm just going to go with trigger manually. You can use other ways. You can use it with form, you can use it with webhook, you can use it maybe send a message from Telegram. Do you understand? You can actually trigger it whatever way you want to trigger this workflow. So for this, we're just going to go with trigger manually. Just click on this trigger manually, double click it and click this edit, because we want to actually send something to Google Map to script. Do you understand? I want to send something that I want to search about. Do you understand? So just going to delete this and put in some code here. First thing we need is what we want to actually search about. So just going to go with query plumbers. Just put comma here. Oh, sorry. Comma. And the location of where we want to search that plumbers from. Do you understand? So we're going to go with this and type in location. And just type in Lagos. And boom, we are good. So just click on save. And as you see, it's the what wants to share about is coming as plumbers. The location we are searching that from is coming as Lagos. I think we did mistake with the spelling here. So okay, just delete this and type in location. And we are good. Drag this up. All right, so what we're going to do is by using something called Apify. I know you're going to be asking that, what is Apify? Just think of it like a platform that already has ready-made scraper for different websites. So instead of just trying to build a complex Google Maps scraper from scratch, Apify has already done all the heavy lifting for us. So inside n8n, we use something called HTTP request node to connect directly to Apify. So basically, that request tells Apify that, hey, I want you to run the Google Maps scraper and bring me back all the business details. And what it's going to return is going to be the JSON file, including the name, phone numbers, websites, addresses, just basically everything that we need, you understand? So instead of just wasting time building the whole thing line by line, we just send a request to Apify, get the results back instantly, and then we can pass that data into Google Sheets, and that's simple, fast, and completely automated for us. So with that being said, let's first add our HTTP request node in n8n and actually go into Apify to get our API key and everything that we need. So to do that, we just click on this plus button here, search for HTTP requests, which is this one. Let's leave the method as
post.
Let's click on this send button, send body button, and let's specify the body as JSON, and let's go and search for API file. Click on the first button, which is www.apify.com. So just click on that and actually select your preferred, after opening your account and logging in, select your preferred scraper, which is going to be Google Maps scraper. So just click on that. Click on try for free. You don't need to worry about the cost. When you open the account, they will give you $5 for free. So that's all we need for now. So just click on this API here, click on API endpoints, scroll down till you see run actor synchronously and get dataset item. So just copy this link, come to n8n, paste this into here, because this link is where we're going to be sending our data to n8n to Apify to actually search about. So for this JSON part, come back to Google Maps to Apify. So click on JSON here and copy what you see here. Just copy this. Come to this part where it says JSON and expand this field and just paste in whatever you get from there. And what we need to actually script Google Map, we need the location and we need what we're actually searching about. So for this part, the location is going to be Lagos, and what we are searching about is Plumber. So we just delete what we have here from Apify, delete these and copy, drag in whatever is coming from our manual trigger and just paste this in here. And now it will happen automatically, even if we change whatever the value is from the manual trigger, or whatever you are sending from a form, or whatever way you want to have this trigger. But this is just for testing. I just want to show you how you can actually scrape Google Map, and that's what I'm doing. So this location query, delete that one too, and drag whatever the location is from here and paste that in here. As you see, automatically the result is now Lagos. The search string is now Plumbers. So if we change whatever it is from this manual trigger, it will change in the result from our HTTP node. You understand? So we are sending this to this URL for us to actually script Google Map and get those things. You understand? So I don't want the results we should be getting, I don't want it to be too much. So let's just get 5 results. I think 5 results is better. And yeah, let's just click on this play button here. And now you see we get the results from Google Map. we actually scale Google Map and get the results. As you can see, if we switch this to table, see we have 5 items. This is the name, this is the name of the, this is their address, this is their neighborhood, which is Lagos Highland, this is their street, and every information that we need, as you can see. So because we don't want to have all this saved in our Google Sheet, so let's just go into and let's just split out what we actually want. So search for split out, and let's drag the field that we want. So for what we want to save, we need to save the title. Drag this and paste this in. I'm sorry, drag this, put this in. And we need their phone number, we need their website, and yeah, I think that's all we need. So now when we click execute step, you see we actually got those information that we asked for, which is their name, the title, the phone numbers, and their website. For any business that don't have website, you see it as undefined, as you can see. So now let's add a database to save all those information into, all those data that we have collected, that we have scaled from Google Map. Let's add the database, which is going to be Google Sheets, to save everything into. And to add our Google Sheet, as you know, to just click on this plus button here, search for Google Sheets, click on that, and click on append row in sheet, because we want to actually add new row in sheet, you understand? So let's select our credential. If you don't know how to select and create a Google Sheets credential, go and watch my previous video. I drop a full breakdown of how you can actually create your credential on Google Sheets. I don't want to do that because I don't want to make this video long. You just click on the Google Sheet account that you selected. So for me, I have a Google Sheet here where I have 3 columns: the title, the phone number, the website. So I want to automatically save all these data into this Google Sheet. So I just select my sheet, which is sheet 1. As you see it here, sheet 1. So then we actually need to fill in whatever is going to be coming into each all these rows, you understand? So you should just drag in easily, just drag whatever is coming from the split out, paste this in, so that's going to work automatically for us. And drag whatever the phone number is, paste that in again, and the website, paste that in again. And now when you click on execute step, it goes on send it to Apify API to actually script Google Map and get whatever data we want. And as you can see here, it said workflow executed successfully, and these are the data that we just sent in. And I want to check our database, which is Google Sheets. You can see it has the title, the phone number, and the website, if they have websites. So because of this, the reason why we're having error here is because Google Sheets is treating our phone number as a formula. Do you understand? Because of the plus and all those things. So to actually get rid of this, we just need to select our phone number, select this part, click on view, click on show, and click on formulas. And as you see, we now have our numbers here, the title, and everything, the website, if they have website. So yeah, it's as easy as that. If you want to have videos like this coming on your page, please hit that subscribe button and get ready for more videos, because I'll be dropping more videos tomorrow. So get ready and subscribe and like this video. So yeah, we'll see you next time.